like to welcome everyone to another broadcast from the Retired Lad Rooftop. It is exactly 2:46 a.m. Falcon 9 from SpaceX is about to go up at 2:47 a.m.
Confirmation that the onboard
And
computers
we
have
are
taken
go
over
for
control of the
launch.
countdown. Final pressurization of the propellant tanks is underway. Let's listen in for the launch director's final go.
Go for launch.
There we have it. The launch director has given their final go for launch.
So
30 seconds away.
30 seconds. Sit back, enjoy the show, ladies and gentlemen. I know I've been waiting on this launch all night long, just to bring this for everyone. Got a new lens on the camera we're going to test out. So we are 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, ignition, and liftoff. Liftoff of the Falcon 9, carrying 23 Starlink satellites into orbit. The Falcon 9 has cleared the lightning towers.
Beautiful launch.
Soon start to hear the rumble of the Falcon 9's 9 Merlin engines. Everything looking good. 30 seconds into flight.
Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Working two cameras here today. Testing the new camera. I like it.
Approaching the point of maximum dynamic pressure, the Merlin engines will throttle down.
Change cameras. Alright. Sorry about that.
Beautiful smoke rings, 2 smoke rings as the Falcon 9 climbs. This view coming from Pete Costin's tracking camera. Falcon 9 has passed through the point of maximum dynamic pressure. It's heading on a southeasterly trajectory downrange from the Cape. Beautiful views coming from Pete Costin's tracking camera showing the plumes of the Falcon 9. Switching to Adam Bernstein's view from here at the Kennedy Space Center. Back to Pete Costin's. We're coming up on the shutdown of the 9 Merlin engines. Followed by stage separation, ignition of the second stage. That will be followed shortly afterwards by there we have the main engine cutoff. And ignition of the second stage. We can see that view from onboard cameras on the right of your screen. Getting views on the larger image on the left from Pete Costin's tracking camera showing the second stage and plume expanding, the deployment of the fairing halves. We'll see that now in the SpaceX feed. There you see it, and we get our first view of the Starlink satellites inside the fairing. The view on the top right is from the first stage cameras looking back towards Florida. Below that is a view of the Merlin engine, the Merlin vacuum engine, firing, burning, glowing red hot.
Oh yeah.
Continuing to track the second stage with Pete's tracking system. May see some stars flying by as the second stage continues. It's now at an altitude of 132 kilometers. Meanwhile, the first stage continues to coast upwards. It's at an altitude of 118 kilometers. It will continue to arc upwards as
That's
it
going to
heads
do it for
downrange.
us. Thank
It's
you for
got
tuning
plenty
in
of,
to another
momentum
Retired Lab
after
broadcast
that
here from my
2.5
rooftop here in
minute
Cocoa,
burn of
Florida.
the 9 Merlin
Hope you enjoyed
engines.
another Falcon 9 rocket
Eventually, it
launch.
will reach the top of the hill and